Hi, welcome to Case King TV. Today I got a new keyboard from XTRFY for you. For those who are into Counter-Strike Global Offensive, I don't have to say XTRFY is the hardware sponsor for Ninjas in Pyjamas, one of the best Counter-Strike teams in the world, if not the best. But let's check out the keyboard because it's about the keyboard and not about the team. But those keyboards, those mice, although some players don't play all the time with it, are tested by Ninjas in Pyjamas and they approve it in the end. That's where the cooperation with XTRFY comes in, especially Emil Hedon Christensen. He's the one, the main man behind it. So what you get is really approved by gamers. The K2 keyboard is a mechanical keyboard with red Kail switches. I wasn't that familiar with these switches. I had to check it out for myself, and it's the same as the red switch from the other big brand. It's linear, and there is no click. So in the end, if you push, you just notice you're pushing a button down. I would say the pressure you need to push is approximately the same, a bit more, I say, judging on my red switches I have at home. I would say those are a little bit harder to push, but not that much. It won't make a big difference. As you can see already, it's an RGB LED keyboard, which is very nice because you can really customize it any way you want. It gives you so many options, what you can do. It's totally controllable. You have many presets. You can change any color on any button without any software. Some might say, if that's a benefit, is this a pro or a con? The pro, of course, is that you don't need any software and you're taking your keyboard out. It saves all your profiles in the keyboard because there's memory on board. You take it to another place and your keyboard is the same as it was before when you disconnected it. So that's the plus on that side. Some might like the software better because they can simply click and select, but fully customizable over the keyboard itself. So there are different programs, there are even some presets for different games. I'm just clicking through some. WASD, of course. We got so many. We got some for Counter-Strike, of course. I mean, if XTRFY is cooperating here with Ninjas in Pyjamas, of course they have a preset for Counter-Strike. That would be a big surprise if they didn't. They got shortcuts to websites like Steam, powered like Facebook, stuff like that. You can do your own macros on it. And so in the end, you really have like anything you can do with that keyboard. Something to mention about the brightness of the LEDs. I like it a lot because most keyboards I got so far, they had the problem that you didn't really have such a strong light, such a bright light. And this makes it very nice because even in broad daylight, you see the colors. I mean, it's quite bright in here because of all the video lamps we have standing around. And I can see really everything. It's really nice. So really bright LEDs. When it comes to technology, we got a new super scan technology XTRFY is using here, which gives you direct feedback. I say that's the wrong word. Let's say direct input. There's nearly no time between pushing the button and the reaction you get on the computer. So the time frame which is lost there because of a reaction time of a button or the keyboard is like nothing. That's a pro, of course, because I mean, if you know how important any millisecond is, especially in like ego shooters, you want direct reaction, and that's what you get with the XTRFY keyboard. There's also a 1000 hertz polling rate and multimedia buttons, stuff like that. And you also have like repeat time on each button you press. The often you push it, if you push it once, how often does the button come up? Of course, N key rollover, stuff like that. That's of course no question. The cord is sleeved in black and yellow, and the weight, which is also very important, it is quite heavy. It has a good weight, so you won't be in trouble when when playing that it would move. It's really like, you see, I'm moving more the table than anything else. So I think you're really safe with that. It's the first mechanical keyboard by Xtrfy. They did a very good job on it, I would say. So check out the mechanical keyboards of Xtrfy, the K2. Check out other keyboards you might like, but I give a recommendation for that keyboard, and we see each other next time here at Case King TV.